Let us see how do you upload your leads via Excel. Just click on the drawer button, go to upload leads. Here you can see this page. Firstly, you have to download lead template. Now let's see. So in lead template, as you can see, there is first name, last name, email ID, country code and mobile number. You just have to fill in these details. I already have a template saved here, so I'll just browse that and just select the file in which you have added all the details. Now you have some provisions given here. If you wish that your lead should be visible to all members, just click to everyone. If you wish that lead should only be visible to owner and admin, you can click for the second option. And if you click on third option, that is assigned sequentially, what it will do is it will be in a round robin fashion. What is that? Basically, there would be many members and many admins added by you. So you will receive thousands of leads. What it will do is it will assign the leads to everyone in a sequential manner. So now I'll just click on everyone. I'll just click on submit, and here you can see the pop-up as upload successful. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Just when you refresh that, you can see the leads added. Here you can see all my leads added in the Excel file have been reflected on my dashboard.